Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Gupta. I completed my BE from Mechanical from Sri College of Engineering. I got the opportunity to get a training from QSpiders-VASAI-VIRAR. Then the staffs and sirs are very good for teaching. The teaching staffs are Vinay sir, Uday sir and Suraj sir. They have a good quality of teaching giving us. I'm taking a mock interviews and presentation rounds daily, and giving the weekly presentation for all full stack. For example, I give the in SQL. Winners are very good in the teaching for us to help the crack the interviews in also. Especially in manual, Uday sir also specialized in the giving how to write a test cases and how to write a test scenarios and how to give the interviews rounds. They help us, and also have staffs that are good on communication and also have the helpful to giving the interviews rounds and help the how to reach the location. And I got a good that's the reason all over I got a place from MNC company.